Welcome, gods of Egypt. Tonight we're going to draw Sebas, one of the main gods from Anime Wars. Sebas is one of the fighters that are only found in this one series. Anyways, not only that, but a Super Dragon Ball Heroes character, Demigro, is also seen in it. And to be honest, this guy looks a lot like Lord Beerus. Almost as if he's related to him. People respected cats as gods of the underworld. They are they are known as deities. They bring good luck on behalf of the gods. But it would be nice to, well, I wish I could see an actual god. That'd be awesome. And Sebas is a representation of it. Here is the Sphinx outfit. Alexa, tell me some facts about Egypt.
Here's a fact about Egypt. From Wikipedia, Egypt has won in the African Men's Handball Championship 5 times, being the best team in Africa.
I had no idea he had Pataras. Alexa, what is the Sphinx?
According to Wikipedia, space, in everyday language, is something that we all know. It is measured in the 3 dimensions of distance, length, width, and height.
Alexa, what is the Sphinx?
The noun, sphinx, can have a few meanings. 1. A figure of an imaginary creature having the head of a man or an animal and the body of a lion. 2. The colossal recumbent stone figure of this kind near the pyramids of Giza. 3. A monster, usually represented as having the head and breast of a woman, the body of a lion, and the wings of an eagle. Seated on a rock outside of Thebes, she proposed a riddle to travelers, killing them when they answered incorrectly, as all did before Oedipus. When he answered her riddle correctly, the Sphinx killed herself. 4. Any similar monster.
Here's the Sphinx's D. Now we draw this mark here. This is the arm. Alexa, what is the pharaoh?
According to Wikipedia, farro refers to the grains of 3 wheat species, which are sold dried and cooked in water until soft. It is eaten plain or is often used as an ingredient in salads, soups, and other dishes. Farro is an ethnobotanical
Alexa,
term for 3.
Name all the gods of Egypt.
Here's something I found on the web. According to essaylead.com, the first, from the metropolis of Heliopolis, stated that there were 9 cardinal gods: Atum, Shu, Tefnut, Geb, Nut, Osiris, Isis, Nephthys, and Set.
Alexa, what are the gods of Egypt?
Gods of Egypt is a 2016 action film starring Brenton Thwaites, Nikolai Coster-Waldau, and Gerard Butler. Mortal hero Beck teams with the god Horus in an alliance against Set, the merciless god of darkness, who has usurped Egypt's throne, plunging the once peaceful and prosperous empire into chaos and conflict. The film is 2 hours and 7 minutes long. The movie has a rating of 5.4 out of 10 on IMDb based on around 114,000 votes, and is rated PG-13.
Alexa, can you tell me about all the gods that used to rule Egypt?
This might answer your question. The political leader of Egypt is Abdel Fattah el-Sisi.
Okay, there he is. That's how you draw a sebas, or sebas or something, or sebas. Anyhow, I'm proud you all got to see me draw this character. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And wow, this guy looks Egyptian-like. Stay guys, see you later.